Good afternoon, welcome to Guero.
M-A-C-A-S. Dito to sa si Kuan, Mananing. Hindi ko ka. That's okay. A little bit lang po.
That's okay. That's okay.
Sana, Yarolo. Sana?
Right.
Good morning ba? Good afternoon.
Rialo Aga.
Ayun, Rialo.
Rialo Aga, good morning.
Riola Aga. Riola Aga. I want him to listen to this.
Rialo, Lingay, at saka Rialo, Takang.
Bakang.
Takang.
Evenings.
Evening.
Evening.
Just repeat for documentation. Morning, afternoon, and evening, please.
Sir, uy. Sino to? Si Mama, kay kamao mo dito sila. Thank you, dahang salamat. Lami Samyal.
Lami Samyal. Lami Samyal. That's beautiful. I like that. Lami Samyal.
Uy, honey, will see.
So did you grow up there in Taytay?
Yes.
You grew up there. And where do you live there still, or you live here?
At Barangay Mambuol na po. Mambuol.
Other barangay.
Other barangay na.
Another
Because she got married from other barangay.
Oh, okay. What did your father think of that?
What?
Was he okay with you marrying
okay, it's
outside?
okay. Outside.
Anak pa naman ng chieftain.
I know, that's why. Your father's the chief.
Pwede na tawagan na sa mama.
Tawagin. Kaya nang lanaan sa late morning pala. Kahit muna sila mag-10.
What time, ma'am?
9 o'clock or
9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
9 sila mo arrive dito sa LGO and then going there, maybe 10 o'clock.
Kung nagpuan naman siya, nag-online naman siya. Kaya naman
Kung
ka
makaulit
daw.
kasi ng tatay.
Oo, di ang tatay lagi, seminar, 2 days. Karon sugod ugma. Mahapon na.
So, do you have like ancient writings, like in part of the museum? Like I read online that the Skaya says that they have the Book of Enoch in their writings. You have this. Can we see this when we go? Because we teach in the museum.
Yes, you can see that.
We can see that. Oh, that's great. Okay. Wow.
I can contact.
Baka mo alam kung explain din mo.
Kamao ko siya.
Inutihan, nanay.
So, unsang tatay? Sister. My sister sa akong father.
The same thing that your father do,
Same.
that one, he can do also.
Can do also.
Okay.
The brother of the chieftain.
Oh, okay. Okay. So he takes over if the
he takes
chief is
over, yes.
gone. Oh, I see.
Uy, di karon naraman sila mo doon. Ato.
Kay may kasi kuan si Angeli, muuban nila ugma.
Ano sa Angeluk, ma?
Yes,
As a modernizer, not that rich, yes.
Wow. Signal.
So, the vehicle going there.
That's a big barangay.